So why would there be a peptide within the gut that's involved in tissue healing and repair? Well, in order to understand that, it's important to understand that the lining of your gut, all along its length, involves a bunch of different layers of cells that turn over at a pretty frequent rate. So unlike your brain cells that, for instance, after about age 25, you're not adding or deleting many brain cells, at least provided there's no injury or neurodegenerative disease. You're not removing a lot of those brain cells, but you're also not adding many brain cells. There are a few areas of the brain, like the olfactory bulb and the dentate gyrus of the hippocampus, where there is some turnover. But for the most part, the neurons you have at about age 25 are the neurons that you're going to have for the rest of your life. Your gut is very different. Within the milieu of the gut, you have a lot of turnover of cells. And the turnover of cells in the gut is in many ways the same sort of turnover process that's involved in wound healing and repair. Like if you cut your skin, another tissue or organ in this case, that involves a lot of turnover of cells, because as you know, if you cut your skin, at some point it will heal up. First there'll be a scab, then that scab will give way as the tissue underneath it mends, and that mending of the tissue is the addition of new skin cells as well as other cell types. So the fact that there is a peptide in our gut that can be involved in tissue turnover, and tissue turnover is equivalent to tissue repair, is not all that surprising.